I teach martial arts and self-defense. Martial arts training, I involve Muay Thai, Judo, Jiu-Jitsu, boxing. In regards to firearms, I train rifle, shotgun, pistol. So before I get into this video is going to be entailing combat pistol review. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. And next to that, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you can, please give me some likes. Click the like button. And all my other videos in regards to if you are on Android or iPhone, when you are on the channel itself, there's home and videos, not uploads. Click on videos of the channel itself. When you click on videos, you can see every single video I have posted. On that, when you're on those said videos, please click the like button. Will, like I said, please subscribe. Anyway, back to my review in regards to combat pistol. This one is involving a Glock 19 9mm, of course. Highly proficient. Okay, I highly trust it. Said magazines, 15-round capacity. Duty rounds, of course. Every single magazine. Mind, the ammunition itself should look as such at all times. This is your duty rounds, okay? It's another type, one of my favorites. Smooth as can be, extremely hollow, very good to go. In regards to the pistol itself, when you purchase a firearm, make sure grip specifically matches to your hand, how it feels when you purchase that said firearm. Make sure it feels good to go. Notice the weight and balance. Good grip as such, like I said. Okay. This, for me, I have very large hands. This is good to go for me. Smooth, sealable. Highly proficient I am with this said pistol. When you purchase any form of firearm, it doesn't matter if it's a Glock, H&K, Smith & Wesson, Timber, Rock River, it doesn't matter, whatever you buy, you need to be proficient with it, know how it feels at all times. In regards to holsters, same thing, you need to know what works best for you. Concealable, shoulder rig, ankle rig, thigh holster, depending on your state, okay? You have that right, that's what I teach. You have that right to protect yourself. You have that right to protect your loved ones. Okay? It's the whole point of my training. It's the whole point of my career of being a protector, okay? So with that being said, like I said, I'm going to be redundant. Pistol review as such. I highly recommend this. I highly recommend what works for you. What you feel good to carry at all times. Okay? Because that's what it's all about. Because the war is real. Enemies are everywhere. You need to be highly trained. Safety, training, proficiency. Like I always say, stay tactical, always in the fight, keep fucking fighting.